Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Shadow PC error code R-0x40000015. As per the research, the error comes while using Shadow PC. The stream suddenly closes and takes the user back to the Shadow is ready start now screen. Some users shared that they can reconnect, but the error keeps repeating every few minutes. According to our research, the error may be related to system locale settings or network issues. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your router. Once both are restarted, try launching Shadow again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try changing the system locale settings. To do this, press Win+R and type CMD to open the command prompt. Then type intl.cpl and press Enter to open Internet Properties. Then go to the Administrative tab and click on Change System Locale. Then select English, United States. Then reboot your PC and try launching Shadow again. Now see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then contact Shadow Support and explain the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.